It's snowing, guys. Look at the birds, honey. Oh, there's so many birds in here. Yeah. Oh, they have a pretty one too. Look at that. Full of snow already. Look at the birds. It's having fun. Yeah.
And they're going under the protection.
Yeah.
Wow, wet already.
Yeah. Honey, look, there's a lot in here now. Maybe it's like 30 birds. Oh! They go on the tree over there. Earlier is bunch. They fly away over at the tree. This is coming. They're coming. Oh. Oh.
Occur before treatment can check for infections and TB. Tell your doctor about any flu-like symptoms or vaccines.
They look so cute.